We'll move on to the next lesson, Science Lesson 6, Energy. Observe both the given pictures. In which picture is more energy used? Number 2, right? We require energy to do all our work, for example, for running, playing, or studying. Non-living things such as cars, trains, and aeroplanes also require energy to move. What is energy? Energy is the capacity or ability to do work. So we require energy to do all our work. For running, we need energy. For playing, we need energy. For studying, we need energy, right? Non-living things also need energy to move, like cars, trains, and aeroplanes needs energy to move. Forms of energy. There are different forms of energy: heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, and mechanical energy. Let's learn heat energy. Heat is an important form of energy. Heat energy is obtained by burning substances such as wood, coal, oil, and gas. So when we burn substances like wood, we get heat. When we burn coal, we get heat. And when we burn gas and oil, we burn heat. We use heat energy for cooking. When we burn wood, we use for cooking. When we burn gas, we use for cooking. Okay, heat energy is also used for producing electricity. The electricity produced using heat energy is called thermal electricity. Thermal electricity is electricity produced using heat energy. Now, light energy. Light energy helps us to see things around us. Some sources of light energy are electric bulb, tube light, and candle. Sun is a natural source of light energy. So, light energy helps us to see the thing around us. When there is electric bulb or tube light, when we on this during the night time, the room is bright, we can see around us. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is used to operate many kinds of machines and appliances such as fans, televisions, refrigerators, and computers. We use electrical energy to produce heat, for example, heater. We use electrical energy to produce light, for example, electric bulb. Electrical energy is used to operate many machines. We use electrical energy to on our televisions. We need electrical energy to on our refrigerator for our computers. Okay. Then mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is produced by machine. Most machines works on electricity, for example, mixer grinders and fans. In these machines, electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. Okay, mechanical energy is produced by machines. So, most of our machines works on electricity, like a mixer grinders, fans. We use electricity, and when these machines are functioning, this electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. When this electric energy does the work, then that is called converted, and that is known as a mechanical energy. Okay, natural sources of energy. Our main natural sources of energy are the sun, wind, and water. Solar energy. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. Sun gives us heat and light energy. Green plants trap light energy from the sun to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. You know the process of photosynthesis, right? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food, right? Well, we eat the food made by plants and get energy to do work. Therefore, we directly depend on plants and indirectly depend on the sun for our energy. That means we depend on plants for energy when we eat plants, or most of our food comes from plants. When we eat this, we get energy. Then plants make their food with the help of sunlight, so our energy indirectly depend on our sunlight. Solar energy is also used to heat water and even to cook food by using solar cookers. Yes, there is a solar cookers where we can cook our food. So solar energy is used to heat water and even to cook food by using solar cooker. Wind energy. Moving wind has energy. Windmills trap this energy and used to do the following: run wheat grinding machine, pump water, produce electricity. Okay, so wind energy is used by a machine to pump water, grinding machines produce electricity. Okay, India has set up wind farms along the coast to produce wind energy. Now, water energy. When water flows or falls from a height, energy can be generated. The energy of flowing water can be used to produce electricity. Electricity produced by this method is called hydroelectricity. When water flows or falls from a height, energy can be generated. So, electricity is generated from water in large water power plants using turbines and generators. There are many steps involved in producing electricity from flowing water. Fuels. Fuels are substances that are burned to produce energy, for example, coal, gas, oil, and petrol. Fuels have energy stored in them. This energy is released by burning them. Fuels are used for cooking food, running vehicles, and for many other purposes. Yes, when we burn coal, coal is used. It can be used for cooking. Mostly, it is used in factories and in to run a train. And gas, when it is burned, it can be used for cooking food. And petrol, when it is burned, it can be used for running different types of vehicles. Fuels such as coal, gas, and petroleum are natural, exhaustible, and limited sources of energy. Exhaustible means something that can be used up completely. Okay, this coal, gas, and petroleum are natural fuels, so they are not very much, they are very limited. We have to use them wisely. The next topic is energy from food. All living things need food. Food provides us energy to do work. The energy is used by our body according to the work we do. Yes, all living things need food. We need energy to do our work. If we don't eat food, we do not have energy. So energy is used by our body, to do different kinds of work. Depending on the work we do, we use up our energy. Food contains chemical energy. The chemical energy from food gets converted to muscular energy when we do work. The next topic is conversion of energy. Energy can change from one form to another. This is called transformation of energy. Number one, in batteries, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. In appliances such as mixer, grinders, and fans, electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. In tube lights and light bulbs, electrical energy is converted to heat and light energy. In loudspeakers and radios, electrical energy is converted to sound energy. Alternative sources of energy. The sources of energy that are likely to disappear in the future because they cannot be replenished after use are called non-renewable sources of energy. For example, coal and petroleum take millions of years to form and cannot be replenished as soon as they are used up. These coal and petrol are non-renewable sources of energy. They are known as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are non-renewable. They are exhaustible. They are very limited. Coal and petroleum takes millions of years to form. They cannot be replenished as soon as they are used up. So we need to be very careful in using our natural resources. They are also known as fossil fuels. With the increase in world population, we are now facing a shortage of natural sources of energy. As coal and petroleum are available only in limited quantities, there is a need to shift to alternative sources of energy. With the increase of world population, we are now facing a shortage of natural resources because many people are using our natural resources. Many vehicles are coming up and then our population increase. So we need to find alternative sources of energy. If we keep using our natural resources, it will not be enough for all of us. So we need to find alternative sources of energy. For example, solar energy, energy of the sun; wind energy, energy of the wind; water energy, energy produced by water; and biogas. Okay, these sources of energy are not likely to get exhausted by human activities or by produced continuously in nature. So we should use solar energy instead of electrical energy. Then wind energy, water energy, all these things, we need to find an alternative way of using them. They are called renewable sources of energy. Okay, they can be charged. They are also non-polluting sources of energy. If we use coal, if we use petrol, they pollute the air and the environment. Okay, you are already familiar with these uses of solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. Biogas is a source of energy obtained from animal and plant organic waste. It is used as a fuel for cooking. Some of the reasons why we need to shift to alternative sources of energy are as follow. Number one, to prevent exhaustion of the existing reserves of coal and petroleum. Number two, to prevent air pollution and to protect our environment.